Welcome to Coding with Tom. Today we will use SpriteKit to add effects to our castles when they are at full health or when their health is nearly depleted. We will begin by creating a condition in our CastleViewModel. So this condition is the one that will tell us what sort of effect to add to the view. And now in our castle presenter, we will add on fire if the HP is below 30. Perfect condition if the castle is at 100 HP. Else we will just return normal. We're going to add a new layer presentation, which are dependencies that we will be injecting to our views. In this case, we will create a castle effect presentation dependency that our views will use to retrieve the appropriate particle effect for the castle, given a castle view model. For now, we'll just return empty SpriteKit nodes. Let's add the two particle effects and then return them here. Okay, let's create a SpriteKit particle file. It will have the template fire, since that's the first effect we're doing. As you can see here, we're already presented in our editor. We can edit the particles here. By modifying the position range, we are changing how wide and high the fire particles are displayed. Let's also change the color of the flame so that we add these three breakpoints to the color just to gradually change the color of it. Let's also increase the lifetime so the fire goes higher. And let's change the particle birth rate. We don't need that much fire. Okay, so with this we have our fire. Now let's do something similar for our sparkling effect using a different template. Okay, with our two effects ready, let's go to our presentation dependency and add them. We just need to add the name of the file with the extension, and that's it. Because we're going to be using SpriteKit, let's link that library. Okay, now let's add the dependency to our CastleCell view. To present a SpriteKit node, we need to create an SK scene or SpriteKit scene. with that scene, we add a child, which would be the particle node variable here. To present an SK scene in a SwiftUI view, we use SpriteView. We will add the allows transparency option to SpriteView so that the particles allow to see the view that's behind. We will create a subclass of a SK scene so that we can specify the scene's anchor point in respect to the view when added. Since we're changing the size of the scene, let's also decrease the size of the particles in our fire. And that was all for today. Xcode makes it really easy to create and edit particles. Using SpriteView in SwiftUI, it's almost seamless how we added this particle effects to our SwiftUI views. Hope you liked it. Bye.